welcome Married with Children's David Faustino.
Thank you. How's everybody feeling? Well, it's great to be here on Mad TV. I myself have just finished my 11th year on Married with Children. You know, what's most interesting about that is we have no idea whether or not we're coming back for a 12th year. And people see me on the street and they're like, you know, David, if the show's not coming back, what are you going to do with your life? Well, until recently, I had no idea. But now it's all too clear to me. You see, I am gonna go back to the mothership. Oh, really? You see, what I wanna know is why didn't anybody tell me that there was a spaceship behind a comet? I mean, come on. This is important information here. You know? This isn't, hey, David, you got some food in your teeth, or, you know, Becky in accounting likes you. This is a spaceship behind the comet. Well, I'm not gonna miss this. See you on the other side. Take me!
Yo, David, get your monkey ass up. We all know you're not gonna do this.
Hey, listen, no butting in. You wanna come? You can be in the second group. Go ahead.
They taking brothers?
I don't know.
Number one way to find out. Please stay tuned for more Mad TV.